It's such an amazing film. The real tigers were amazing. Everything is taken to another level. I loved working with Mohanlal sir. He's all energy and he's exuberant and he's outspoken and he's like a rock star who comes on the set and just spins his little magic. There are so many unforgettable experiences running through the forest and climbing trees. Tuk 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 heartbeat because it's a thriller. Go and watch Puli Murugan with the entire family. I thought he was mad when he told me coming to Puli Murugan after asking me to do the song in Cousins because they have nothing in common, but it's very exciting to meet filmmakers who actually offer you such different roles because Kutti Srank is so different from Natholi and Natholi is so different from Cousins and then Cousins is so different from Puli Murugan. So it's a combination. I love the fact that the Malayalam industry is giving me such exciting things to do. For the first time, I actually did, there's an entire sequence with a lot of action where Maina is concerned. But for her, it's natural. She's a jungli. She's like a wildcat. So it comes naturally to her. So I tried to overcome my fears and do all those things. My director worked with me on the action sequences and I loved it. I just enjoyed doing all that. I love jumping into water and running through the forest and climbing trees. She's raw, she's of course tribal, she comes from the jungle, so everything around the jungle is very natural to her. She has no conditioning, no finesse, so there is a raw personality, a raw strength in her. At the same time, she's a firecracker because Murugan needs a firecracker to match him, the person he is. So Maina is like that. She's a good complement and also she is the anchoring fact of the family because she is the woman in the family of all of them. The little girl is very young, so she keeps them together as a family too. She's the softer side of a very heart-pounding film. I loved working with Mohanlal sir. He's an amazing person, got tons and tons of energy and he's also very positive and he gives out that energy wherever he is, whether it is you sitting with him and having a conversation or whether it is him on a set, he is the same person and he's a lot of fun. He's got a great sense of humor, he's very outspoken, he's very generous with his craft, like very supportive to somebody like me put in a situation like Maina and without Mohanlal sir it would have been not only a very dull but a very tedious experience. I loved working with him because while I was having so much fun I was constantly learning from him. There are so many unforgettable experiences in the film, but I'll give you one because this was quite a thrill. We were supposed to, like you've seen in the trailer, we come down from the cave and we climb up this rock face and it is raining. It's Maina and Murugan doing it and we were tied with ropes to each other and we were climbing, and then it started to rain, and we had to stop because the rock surface was so slippery. And there we were in mid climb, all of us, both of us just stuck together. 20 minutes later, when the rain stopped, the water was still here, and everybody in the crew was paranoid about whether we would make the entire climb, finish the shot. And far away you can see Shaji sir behind his camera, he's shooting. So all of us were, while everybody was breathlessly waiting, Mohanlal sir and me, like two champions, we climbed up that rock surface. That's a very special memory. Both are very humble people, very skilled actors. They know their craft, they know what they have to do at every second in front of the camera or off the camera, where film is concerned. So it's really amazing to be able to watch them. But at the same time, their techniques, the way they are as actors is different. I have found Mammootty sir to be slightly more reserved. He is very soft-spoken. I have found observing his silences to be amazing, because he is a lot about his silences when he is with you or when he is on screen. I've taken that away from him while working with him. And Mohanlal sir, he's all energy and he's exuberant and he's outspoken and he's always laughing, and that's a different kind of zone too. So it's been amazing to see the difference in the way they approach cinema, but the common way in how they love cinema.
Hello, whoever you are, you will leave very soon.
വിളിച്ചത് പോലീസിനെയോ IAS കാമുകനെയോ?
തനിക്ക് എങ്ങനെ അറിയാം?
Firstly, I'm a fish out of water in the jungle, because I didn't think of myself as very adventurous. I have had my exposure to rural life has basically been through the films that I've been shooting, and nothing much more than that, maybe guides when I was in Girl Guides. So for me, a rural setup was something totally novel, something totally new, and I was very scared. Not of the jungle, but whether I could get under Maina's skin that easily and become this rural girl who has not even one nuance of urban life, where I am totally urban with no nuance of rural life. So as a challenge, it was very interesting for me to go to, and I had a lot of support where the entire cast is concerned, my crew, the people who were working with me on my language, my director, Mohanlal sir. Everybody was a huge support system, and I loved it. I would go back to the jungle in a heartbeat. My scenes, my action sequences were done by my director, and I never really got to work with Peter Hain. But I was there while he was shooting with Mohanlal sir. So many of the action sequences, and he is just simply amazing. He's like a little fataka, like a rock star who comes on the set and just spins his little magic. And I have to tell you that he dresses amazingly. He always matches his shoes, his umbrella, his clothes. So every day you're waiting for what Peter is going to walk into the set wearing. Everybody is waiting to see what he's wearing. Also, there are things that I saw people like them doing on screen. Mohanlal sir did some action sequences which I don't think have been done before, and it's amazing to see his flexibility, and he never said no. No matter what they asked him to do, he was gung-ho about it. So there's some stunning action sequences in the film, like you hold your breath waiting for him to finish or waiting for it to, and they are larger than life action sequences, not small fights and all that. Everything is taken to another level, because Puli is like that, the scale is like that. And no, I don't have any sequences. I did not shoot any sequences with the tiger, but I do have a sequence with the tiger. But I saw a lot of the footage that they shot when they went to Vietnam, when they went to Thailand, and the real tigers were amazing. And from what I've seen of the combination that they have done to make them realistic on screen, it looks stunning and it looks scary. Puli Murugan was a film that I think I gave myself to 100%. While I was shooting for that film, I was very much Maina. It was a really long shoot, not only because of our scenes and the film together, but because we were working under natural conditions. When you're working with Mother Nature, then you don't have her at your beck and call. She controls the show. So some days nature wouldn't allow us to shoot, and then we would have to make up for it. So it was a big shoot, a very hard shoot, and we enjoyed every moment. The crew was very enthusiastic and gung-ho about it from day one till the last day, because they believed in the film and they were overtaken by the magic of what was happening. And I think there was only a small period in between where I was shifting between Maina of Puli and Yalni of Iraivi, which was a Tamil film I did. And she is the most urban character ever. And here is Maina, who is the most rural character ever. So those two schedules were something else, where I would get on a flight and get to Chennai and become Yalni, and then I would come back and put on my sari and middle part my hair, take off my slippers and become Maina. So the combination as an actor is so amazing. Can you imagine what fun I'm having?
மனிதன் என்ற சொல்லுக்குள்ளே அடங்காதே பெண்ணே உயரம் உலகேதான்.
I'm escaping from India for a little bit to go and study, and then I'll come back and do probably a Bengali film. I actually am waiting to see the kind of work that comes to me after Puli, because it's such a amazing film. I have to find something that tops it or is totally different from it. So I think that's a hard thing to look for. I firstly want to wish everybody a beautiful Navratri and a gorgeous Durga Puja. And it's such a beautiful festival time, and the best way to celebrate this is to go and watch Puli Murugan with the entire family. It's got something for everybody. It's of course tuk 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 heartbeat, because it's a thriller and there's suspense and there is the tiger. Then it has a beautiful setup, which is the jungle. So visually you're transported into a different world. It has a lot of emotions. There's a family. Entire family is the core of the film. And action sequences that will just blow your mind. So all the reasons are a good reason to watch Puli this festival season. And I look forward to coming back to Malayalam cinema and doing lots of good films here. Thank you.